Good morning, students. Today's lecture interaction energy of Elias coupling. In last chapter, single valence electron that due to the interaction between orbital motion and spin motion of the electron, there is a change in total energy of the system. This energy change gives rise to fine structure of spectral lines in single valence electron system. In this case, means two valence electrons, there are four angular momenta: L1 star, L2 star, comma S1 star and S2 star. These are the four angular momenta with six possible interactions. As first one is S1 star with S2 star. Then second one is L1 star with L2 star. Then third one is L1 star with S1 star. Then fourth one is L2 star with S2 star. Fifth one is L1 star with S2 star. And then last one, sixth one is L2 star with S1 star. These are the six possible interactions. Okay. Then we seen that the shift of each fine structure level is given by minus delta tau L S minus delta T or tau L comma S is equal to A into L star S star cos of L star into S star. This is average L star into S star. Therefore, minus delta tau L S is equal to A into in bracket J star square minus L star square minus S star square upon 2 is equal to simply tau. We have already this equation in spin orbit interaction energy. This is equation number 1. Okay. Applying this equation to these six interaction, the six energy relation will be: first one is tau 1 is equal to A1 S1 star into S2 star into cos of S1 star into S2 star. Then second, tau 2 is equal to A2 L1 star L2 star cos of L1 star into L2 star. Third one is tau 3 is equal to A3 L1 star S1 star into cos of L1 star into S1 star. Then fourth one is tau 4 is equal to A4 L2 star S2 star cos of L2 star into S2 star. Then fifth one, tau 4 is equal to A5 L1 star into S2 star into cos of L1 star into S2 star. Then last sixth one, tau 6 is equal to A6 L2 star into S1 star cos of L2 star into S1 star. This is the six energy relations. According to classical model of the precision of vectors, each S star and each L star produces a field. S star and L star produces a field. The another vector tends to carry Larmor precision. L star and S star produces field and another vectors carry a Larmor precision. We have already seen in last lecture. Okay, around this field, the rate of precision is different for different vectors. The vector precessing more rapidly has predominating interactions over other slowly precessing vectors. LS and JJ coupling models gives good agreement with this experiment. In LS coupling, the interaction energies tau 1 and tau 2 are assumed to predominant. Predominate over tau 3 and tau 4, while tau 5 and tau 6 are negligibly small. That is, it vanishes. Okay. The vector diagram of this coupling scheme as shown in figure. I have to show this figure in book. This is the figure. This is S1, S2 star create S star, L1, L2 star create capital S star, and this L star and S star create total angular momenta J star. This is side view and this is top view of this coupling scheme. Okay. The tau 1 and tau 2 predominate S1 and S2 process or precess rapidly around their resultant capital S star and L1 and L2 star precess rapidly around their resultant capital L star. Due to weaker interaction, tau 3 and tau 4 capital S star and S star precess more slowly around the resultant J star. Therefore, we consider the term tau 1, tau 2, tau 3 and tau 4. Tau 5 and tau 6 are negligibly small, that is, they are vanishes. There are four terms. Tau 1 is equal to A1 S1 star S2 star cos of S1 star into S2 star. Then tau 2 is equal to A2 into L1 star L2 star cos of L1 star into L2 star. Tau 3 is equal to A3 L1 star S1 star cos of L1 star into S1 star. Then tau 4 is equal to A4 L2 star into S2 star into cos of L2 star into S2 star. These four terms are remaining. Remaining two terms will be vanishes. Okay. Then by using the law of trigonometry, by using the law for triangles, the law are capital S star square is equal to small s1 star square plus S2 star square plus 2 S1 star S2 star cos of S1 star into S2 star. This is equation number 3. Therefore, S1 star into S2 star into cos of S1 star into S2 star is equal to capital S star square minus S1 small s1 star square minus small s2 star square divided by 2. This is equation number 4. Hence, tau 1 is equal to 1 half a1 into capital S star square minus S1 star square minus S2 star square. These two get 1 and half. 1 divided by 2. And remaining equation write same. This is equation number 5. And tau 2 is equal to 1 by 2 a2 capital S star square minus L1 star square minus L2 star square. This is equation number 6. The average value of the cosine must be evaluated as the angle between the vectors are continuously changing. Due to the contingency of certain angles throughout the various precision, the average value of cosine can be easily calculated. A well-known theorem in trigonometry gives the average value of in terms of the projection. This is the LS or interaction energy of LS coupling.